Did you know one of the most unique mega projects in the world was stolen? Or how about the fact that the largest statue in the world is almost 3 times taller than the Statue of Liberty? On this episode of Built a Billion, we'll get into some of the biggest and weirdest mega projects in the world. By the way, if you want to hear the latest on all the new mega projects and billion-dollar constructions of the world, please hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. Hang with us and we'll show you all of the dream projects that are being built, 1 billion at a time. Number 7. MSG Sphere, Las Vegas. The MSG Sphere is the new music and entertainment area currently under construction in Las Vegas. It will be 112 meters high and 157 meters wide, making it the largest sphere in the world, and it will hold 17,500 seats for concerts and shows. The sphere will be entirely immersive, even using scent and temperature to engage viewers, along with the largest LED screen in the world that will wrap around the audience. The sphere is built to be the largest and most immersive experience in all of Las Vegas. The exterior was completed in June of 2021, and the sphere will open in August of 2023, and the cost to make it happen chalks up to an impressive $1.8 billion. Number 6. The Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the largest statue in the world. It stands 240 meters or 787 feet above Gujarat, India, and is a depiction of Indian historical figure Vallabhbhai Patel. Patel united all 562 princely states in pre-independent India. The statue is 110 times taller than an average human, 6 times as tall as the Statue of Jesus in Rio de Janeiro, and 2.5 times as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Each foot on the statue is 70 feet long, and the entire statue can be seen from 7 kilometers away. There's even an observation gallery inside that attracts many tourists, and the statue will slowly turn green over time due to copper oxidation, just like the Statue of Liberty. Construction began in 2013 to the dismay of some nearby villages due to environmental concerns. Holding the only capabilities to do so, factories in China created the copper plates that would make up the statue, and 3,000 workers and 250 engineers worked to make this amazing feat a reality. The statue can withstand earthquakes up to 6.5 on the Richter scale, and the complete construction cost $422 million. It officially opened on October 21, 2014, Patel's 143rd birthday. Number 5. PONT CHABAN DELMAS. In 2013, this vertical bridge opened in Bordeaux, France in order to increase river traffic. The bridge features 4 pylons with a 117-meter lifting span. It lifts 575 meters, which makes it the longest lifting vertical lift bridge in Europe. The pylons use counterweights to help the spans lift to the required height and have lights that change based on water level. It only takes 12 minutes to raise the bridge span, and construction cost 160 million euros. Number 4. The Dubai Frame. The largest picture frame in the world stands 150 meters above Zumail Park in Dubai. The frame symbolizes where Dubai has been and where it's going. One side looks out on the older part of the city, and the other gives tourists a view of the futuristic developments over the past 50 years. In 2019, over 17 million tourists visited the structure. Construction began in 2013, and the glass observation deck was assembled on the ground and then raised to be placed on the risers. The museum inside looks at the history of the UAE with a virtual reality exhibit where you can observe a futuristic vision complete with mega projects, wind power, and technological advancements. The Dubai Frame was the result of ThyssenKrupp, who held a competition in 2009 to design a retrospective elevator tower that would allow tourists to ride up and enjoy a view of the city. 4,600 architects took part in the contest, but Fernando Doniz won the competition with his design of the Dubai Frame. The structure is based on the golden ratio, 1 to 1.618. This is the architectural and artistic standard that's reflected on the Great Pyramid of Giza and the Parthenon. This sounds great and all, but unfortunately, Doniz says that Dubai stole the frame from him, as he was not compensated correctly for it, and this makes the Dubai Frame technically the largest stolen structure in the world. Number 3. KATARA TOWERS-LUSAIL City. Lusail City is the planned city in Qatar meant to bring luxurious amenities to its affluent residents. There will be entertainment districts, shopping, marinas, resorts, and residential areas, and it plans to house 250,000 residents at first, with that number increasing in the future. As many of you know, Qatar will hold the 2022 FIFA World Cup and have been eager to create numerous mega projects, but on the darker side, many human rights are violated and many workers are exploited in the creation of these projects. But soccer fans don't care, and neither do the teams. The most interesting structure in Lusail City is the KATARA Towers. It will feature hotels and luxury apartments. The curving structure is a crescent moon symbol of hospitality in Qatar and also a representation of the dual swords on Qatar's national seal. Construction was started in 2014, was completed this year, and it all cost $604 million. Number 2. Beijing DAXING International Airport. Beijing DAXING is the capital's second international airport. It's also known as Starfish for its spoke design, and the airport has the world's largest single-building airport terminal. It could handle 200 million passengers a year, and if it reaches this, would become the world's busiest airport. As a lifelong resident of Atlanta, Georgia, I take offense to this. The check-in process is handled by facial recognition, and the airport plans to have robot-enabled customer service to enhance the experience even more. The old capital airport needed relief, so in 2014, construction began on the new airport. The plans originally included 9 runways and 600,000 new jobs for the local people. After 5 years of construction and 11 villages being removed, the airport was completed, with an emphasis on convenience and aesthetic. The Starfish design helps passengers reach their planes faster, with only an 8-minute walk from the checkpoint to any gate. Parking and retrieving planes are faster too. The airport only has 5 runways but can handle 300 takeoffs and landings per hour due to the optimized design. The airport even has an artificial lake sourced by rainwater as the cherry on top. The old airport is still in operation today, but it has received the relief it badly needed. Number 1. TIANDUCHEng. China is very big. There's so much land, China has to get creative with what to do with it. Or maybe creative isn't the word. The country has a bunch of copycat structures from Venice, London, the White House, and more just hanging around. TIANDUCHEng, or Sky City, is one of these copied cities. It was opened in 2006 and modeled after Paris, including the 108-meter tall Eiffel Tower. They even copied the lampposts on the street and layout of the greenery leading up to the tower. Hey, China residents, why actually go anywhere in the world when we have everything right here? That's not creepy at all. By 2013, only 2,000 people lived there, and it was a ghost town, but slowly more people have started trickling into the Sky City. Moving forward, China will be stopping the whole copycat city thing and will celebrate their own unique Chinese architecture. I'm guessing they realized it was very weird and a little stalkerish. These are some of the biggest and weirdest mega projects in the world today. Which one was the weirdest to you? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, click a video on the screen to watch something you haven't seen. And thanks for visiting Built a Billion.